Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download free wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. So let's go to the settings. Now over here we need to scroll down, not here, scroll down and go to wallpaper and style. And now here choose change wallpapers, scroll all the way down, and here you'll have get more wallpapers. Press over here. We will open Galaxy themes. If you open it for the first time, then you need to press continue over here. Now you might need to update the app, so do this. Let's press update, and after the update you might need to press the button one more time. Once you are here, you need to make sure that you have wallpaper selected at the bottom, and then you can go to tab. Over here where it says all, you can press and then switch to free, and here you'll find a bunch of different free wallpapers that you can set. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and now all you need to do is press download and then apply. Now you can choose to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna set it for both, so let's press next and then press done in the top right corner. And there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.